from Ooznest, and today I'm going to do another video on the WorkBee CNC machine. For the WorkBee CNC machine, we do two versions, a screw drive and a belt drive. We regularly get asked a lot of questions about differences between a belt drive WorkBee CNC machine and a screw drive WorkBee CNC machine. So today I'm going to go through the differences between the two. The belt version of the WorkBee CNC machine uses GT3 timing belt. This is made from neoprene and is fiberglass reinforced. This, on our WorkBee, runs on one of the aluminium pulleys, like so. The teeth engage with the pulley, and a rotational motion of the motor moves the machine along its axis. The screw drive WorkBee CNC machine uses what they call an Asami lead screw. It's a steel 8mm diameter rod with an 8mm pitch, and then this runs in a Delrin Asami nut block, like so. On the y-axis, we use two nut blocks, same as this, to remove any backlash. Same on the x, and on the z-axis, we use an anti-backlash one, which has a grub screw to remove any backlash. So, on the WorkBee CNC machine, the z-axis is always screw drive, no matter what the version. So, a belt drive WorkBee or screw drive WorkBee, the z-axis is always a screw drive. With a screw drive WorkBee CNC machine, the maximum size we can go up to is 1000 times 1000 millimeters. The reason for this is if you go any longer with the screw, it will begin to whip and it just cause problems with the linear motion of the machine. If you go greater than 1000 by 1000, you have to go to the belt drive system. The maximum size we do in the WorkBee is 1500 times 1500 millimeters, and this is an all belt drive machine. For the WorkBee CNC machine, a screw drive is always more money than the belt drive machine. On average, it is roughly £150 more than the belt drive machine of the same size. Now I'll go over the advantages or disadvantages of using a belt or screw drive machine. The one advantage of the belt drive is that there's really no limit to how big you can go. So with the WorkBee, we can go up to 1500 times 1500 machine on the belt drive system. The second advantage is that a belt drive can run a lot quicker than a screw drive machine. This doesn't mean that it can cut quicker than a screw drive, it just means that its traverse moves can be quicker. Or for instance, if you're cutting a very lightweight material, for instance foam, you can run that at a much higher speed than you would be able to on a screw drive machine. One issue with a belt drive machine is that the belts are just basically really thick elastic bands. So the machine is only held in place from the tension each side of the pulley. So any stretch that is in the belt will be translated into cutting errors in the machine. This is in the region of 0.2mm. So overall, it's not a great deal. Onto the screw drive. There is a lot of advantages to using a screw drive machine over the belt drive machine. The first is that you don't have the stretching characteristics that you see with a belt drive. So the machine is held in position mechanically using a steel rod and the engagement of that with the nut block. As long as you take out the backlash in the nut block using the method that we explain in the manual when you build this machine, you can get accuracy of 0.1mm or greater. With a screw drive machine, the machine can undergo a lot higher loads without affecting the accuracy of the machine. Because on the belt drive, when you push the machine in one direction, it could stretch the belt in the other direction and affect the accuracy. But with a screw drive, any heavy loads on the nut block, which what it eventually gets translated to, will not affect the position of the machine. Two disadvantages of a screw drive is that the first one is slower than using a belt drive. The maximum speed we set for the WorkBee on a screw drive machine is 2500 millimeters per minute compared to the 10,000 millimeters per minute on a belt drive. So when thinking about buying a WorkBee CNC machine, I'd really think about the maximum size of material you want to cut. Ideally, you want to be buying a screw drive WorkBee CNC machine. With a screw drive WorkBee CNC machine, you'll be able to cut heavier materials like aluminium and hardwoods quicker than you can on the belt drive. Also, you'll get a more accurate machine which will have a worst case scenario of 0.1mm accuracy. However, if what you aim to cut is bigger than a screw drive machine, A belt drive is still more than adequate to cut most materials, even aluminium, hardwoods and sheet materials like MDF and plywood. But if you don't think you'll really need the bigger machine, I would advise sticking to a screwdriver where possible. I hope you found this video informative and will help you make a decision when buying your WorkBee CNC machine. If you have any questions, give us a shout. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and like our video.